company started in Newark, New Jersey in 1940. There was no room to expand in our Newark plant any longer. We had to do something else in order to make the plant bigger. We bought the whole city block up. There was nowhere else to go. Beginning in 1969, some of the operations started to move down here, and then finally in 1991, we consolidated all the operations to come down here to Florida.
Our customers aren't metal forming experts, and that's what we bring to the table.
I mean, we still do the same things that we did all those years. I mean, we're still manufacturing a sheet metal part in a press. The technology's changed. There's a lot of things that have changed from a equipment standpoint, but still the same tools and knowledge and people.
It's real exciting to me to especially meet the customers that we deal with. We have a wide customer base.
Active implantable medical devices. Every medical part we make ends up inside of a human being and helps keep them alive, so we're very proud of that.
To oil and gas,
Electronics,
Department of Defense,
irrigation,
semiconductor,
aerospace,
seismic testing,
automotive.
SpaceX is a customer of ours, and we've seen some neat opportunities with them. It never ceases to amaze me where our little products end up.